Let's talk about the Christmas gift of the year in Sweden back in time.
Oi!
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja. Yes, so every year a certain thing becomes the Christmas gift of the year, and this is appointed by Hui, Handelns Utredningsinstitut, and they have ever since 1988 appointed something that was new or something that has gained a lot of attraction in the last year as the Christmas gift of the year, all the way back to 1988. So we're going to go through history and we're going to land on this year's Christmas gift. The Christmas gift of 1988 was en bakmaskin, a baking machine. In 1989 it was en videokamera. What? En videokamera. In 1990 it was a not so Swedish word, en wok. En wok. In 1991 we had en CD-spelare. En CD-spelare. In 1992 it was ett tv-spel. Ett tv-spel. We used to call them tv-spel because it was a console that was connected to the TV and not the computer, thereby tv-spel. In 1993 it was parfym. Parfym. Probably not a new thing, it just got a hype for some reason. In 1994 it was en mobiltelefon. En mobiltelefon. In 1995 it was en CD. En CD. In 1996 people were starting to get internet to their homes, so that year's Christmas gift was internetpaket. Internetpaket. With the modem and you're online. In 1997 it was elektriska husdjur. Elektriska husdjur, such as Tamagotchi. In 1998, computers had become stronger than before, and therefore the Christmas gift of that year was datorspel. Datorspel. In 1999, we had something that wasn't exactly new, it was böcker. Böcker, or en bok. And one of the reasons for this was that the Bible had a new Swedish translation. I know. The Christmas gift of the year 2000 was en DVD-spelare. DVD-spelare. And then 2001 was something that wasn't exactly new. It's actually one of the first things we ever did, and that was verktyg. Verktyg. The 2002 version, once again we go back to reading, was en kokbok. En kokbok. 2003 was, and I don't remember this, but en mössa. En mössa. In 2004, we started to notice HD-ready TVs and then HD TVs. What? So the Christmas gift of that year was en platt-TV. En platt-TV. 2005 saw the rise of TV shows where celebrities and other people would play Texas Hold'em. So the Christmas gift of that year was ett pokerset. Ett pokerset. In 2006, the Christmas gift was ljudboken. Ljudboken. In 2007, the Christmas gift was GPS-mottagare. GPS-mottagare. In 2008, the gift was en upplevelsepresent. En upplevelsepresent. That could be a cruise, or go-karting, or ride along in a Formula 1 car, or wine testing, some form of experience. The 2009 gift was en spikmatta. En spikmatta. Preferably the ones with plastic sticks that you would lay on, and that would make your back better. Which is something I could use right now because I moved heavy boxes yesterday and it hurts. Give me a spikmatta from 2009! In 2010, the Christmas gift was surfplattan. Surfplattan, with the two biggest on the market being Apple's iPad and Samsung Galaxy Tab. The 2011 gift was Matkassen. Matkassen, which is a subscription service where you get food sent home to your place with recipe for the whole week, depending on how many people you are. The 2012 gift was hörlurar. Hörlurar, which isn't exactly a new thing, but it was to mark the new trend of being more mobile, with smartphones getting a stronger grip on our society. 2013, Råsaftcentrifugen. Råsaftcentrifugen. The trend of being more healthy and putting all of your vegetables and your fruits and making your own juice, if you know what I mean. And building on this trend, the 2014 gift was aktivitetsarmbandet. Aktivitetsarmbandet. The 2015 version is the opposite of that because now we're getting lazy. The 2015 gift was robotdammsugaren. Robotdammsugaren. The Christmas gift of 2016 has been many years away from the movie Lawnmower Man, but the gift that year was VR-glasögon. VR-glasögon. The 2017 gift signifies climate awareness, being healthy, but also being somewhat comfortable. That year, elcykel. Elcykel. And last year's Christmas gift was also in the sign of being climate aware. The gift was återvunna kläder. Återvunna kläder. And the Christmas gift of 2019 this year is mobillådan. Mobillådan, which is a simple box where you put your cell phone, your smartphone, and this is to signify that we need to spend less time watching screens and more time actually, enjoying each other. Which is pretty much the exact opposite of what I'm doing right now and what you're doing right now, because I know you're watching this on a screen. There is no other way you could, unless some of my neighbors are watching me, but then they wouldn't hear unless they have hooked themselves up to my microphone. Alright, maybe a few people, but you're watching this on a screen, and it's okay, because this makes your life better. It makes your Swedish improve, and it gives me something to do on a Sunday. Thank you so much for watching this video where I go through the, I don't know how many years are they, from 1988 to 2019 Christmas gifts of the year and what they're called in Swedish, and you get the translation underneath. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time you click on one of my videos. Bye.